Best car window tinting company is a question to be taken seriously when you consider that making the wrong choice in a car window tinting company can lead to lost money and time, not to mention giving your little ones zero to no protection from harmful solar UV rays. Best car window tinting company is a query you make because you want to be sure that the window tinting company you employ to tint your car have the experience and expertise along with a trusted brands that are actually installed, unlike some dodgy brothers that charge you premium price for simply a colored film. How do you know if you're really getting the best car window tinting company? The window tinting company answers all your questions fully. The window tinting company is happy to demonstrate and test the film after installation to show you exactly how much UV is blocked, giving the confidence that you're getting what you paid for. After many years working in the automotive window tinting business, we hear about, and see a great deal of shameful work being carried out. If you would do it to your kids, how can they put other kids at risk? A best car window tinting company is what you need and want. With quality automotive and vehicle window tinting, you increase the value of your car, protecting from harmful UV rays, and help to increase the longevity of your car's interior. With a great and expert car tinting job, you get privacy and keeps your car's possessions from being seen when parked. Best window tinting adds value to your car and a touch of style and class. We offer best window tints with various window tinting highlights, as each is produced using various materials. Over 50% of total solar energy is blocked, providing excellent comfort, blocks over 90% of UV light, helping to protect you and the car's occupants. Best car film clarity for unaltered visibility and incredible glare reduction, allowing for safe and comfortable experience. Best scratch resistant coating means maintenance-free operation, 25-year worldwide guarantee against defects such as fading or color change. To discover a great car window tinting deal, call us today. We'll ask you a couple of things about your car and the tint you'd like. At that point we can give you an exact value gauge for the activity.